Good morning. We're here with Miss Barbara today, and she has just finished up, what has it been, about 3 months now?
Yes.
3 months, and when we first met you, you were dealing with a whole bunch of different health issues, and I think you're doing immensely better. Would you say you're better?
Much better.
Why don't you tell me what's going on?
Well, when I first came here, I had a hard time even getting out of the car and walking down the hallway. And after about 2 weeks, most of the pain was gone, and I was able to do a lot of the original activities that I've always done. I'm very active. I love working out. I love riding my horses, and I was completely unable to do any of that for about 1.5 years before coming here. So yes, I'm greatly improved, and it was a speedy recovery.
Now, didn't you have some big horse show recently?
I did.
Tell us about that.
I hosted a horse clinic for horsemanship at my farm, and I was in charge of paddocks for about 17 horses, and we rode for 4 days and about 3 hours a day. And for the last 2 years, I probably was able to ride maybe 3 days out of the 4, but not the full 3 days. And this time I rode all 4 days, and afterwards I was able to drive to Greenville to see you. I was able to do anything I wanted to do, whereas normally after I finish a clinic, even not riding the whole time, I was unable to do anything for the next week. I was just exhausted and miserable. So I was overjoyed and full of energy and felt fantastic even after riding 4 full days in the clinic.
That's great. If there's anybody else that's out there that's watching this video that's dealing with the same kind of chronic health problems as you have, would you recommend that they follow my protocols?
I would definitely recommend it. It has been an amazing journey for me, a speedy journey. Each day I have felt better and stronger, and even my muscle tone is so much better than it's been in years. So yes, and I would definitely recommend it, and I do recommend it.
Thank you. Bless you.
Thanks.